All right, for all you creators out there, let's talk about animation. Yeah, that big, often frustrating hurdle. Well, today we're diving into a tool that's designed to be your secret weapon, your animation power-up, Motion Studio.
Okay, let's be real. If you're an indie dev, an artist, anyone making creative stuff, you know the feeling, right? You've got this amazing character, the world is built, everything's perfect, and then you have to make them move. And suddenly, it's this huge, soul-crushing roadblock. Getting that fluid, realistic motion is tough, and it's honestly what can make or break a project.
But what if you could just leap over that hurdle? That's exactly what we're talking about today. So let's get into it. The tool is called Motion Studio.
So what exactly is Motion Studio? Well, at its core, it's a huge, cataloged library of motion capture animations. But don't just think of it as a giant folder of files. No, it's way more than that. It's a complete toolkit designed to help you find, preview, and then just drop incredible animations straight into whatever you're working on, be it a game, a film, you name it.
And this is the best part, honestly. It's all ready to go, right out of the box. We're not talking about some super complex software with a steep learning curve that'll take you weeks to figure out. Nope. This is a full suite of animations ready to roll the second you open it up.
Okay, so that all sounds great, but how does it actually work? How does it make your life easier? Let's peel back the layers and look at the workflow, because this is where it gets really good.
The whole process is designed to be lightning fast. Seriously, you start by just browsing through all the categorized motions. See something that catches your eye? You just hover your mouse over it for an instant preview. If you want a closer look, you pop it open in the full viewer. And once you find the one, you just hit export. Bam, it's ready for pretty much any major game engine. It's all about getting you from I need an animation to I have an animation as fast as possible.
So let's really dig into these core features, because this is the stuff that makes it so powerful. You've got the quick hover previews, that's all about saving you time. So no more clicking and loading a million files. The motions are all neatly categorized, again for speed. Then there's the large view with playback controls and frame scrubbing, which is all about giving you precision and control. And maybe the best part, it exports in a ready-to-import format. Plus, and this is a big one, they add new animations with each major version, so the library just keeps getting better and better. It's not a static tool, it grows with you.
Okay, so the features sound amazing. The workflow seems slick, but what are real users saying? You know, the people actually in the trenches using this thing every day. Let's check out some feedback from creators. I love this first one. They punch well above their weight. That says so much, right? It means the quality you're getting here is just exceptional. It feels like something a massive studio would put out, which is a huge compliment and really speaks to the value you're getting. And check this out. Feels polished and slick even though it's EA. Now EA means early access, and if you've used early access software before, you know it can sometimes be, well, a little janky, a little unfinished. But the feedback here is that Motion Studio already feels like a finished professional product. That's a massive green flag.
All right, so I bet at this point you're probably thinking, okay, I'm sold. How do I get this? Let's talk about how you can get started and what your next steps are. It's super straightforward. You can grab Motion Studio right now on Steam. Just a heads up, it is for Windows at the moment, so just pop open Steam, search for it, and you're good to go.
And hey, here's a little pro tip for you. We all love a good deal, right? Keep your eyes peeled during those big Steam sales. You know, the summer sale, winter sale, all that. People have seen this go for up to 30% off. A little patience could save you some serious cash.
But maybe you're thinking, I'm still not 100% sure if it's right for my project. You want to try it out, kick the tires a bit before you fully commit. What if I told you there's a way to do that, completely risk-free?
Okay, check this out. You can basically use Steam's own refund policy as a trial. Here's the play. You buy Motion Studio on Steam, download it, and just go to town on it. Test everything out. As long as you do it for under 2 hours of use, Steam lets you get a full refund, no questions asked. It's the ultimate try before you keep method. So think about it. You've got this massive, professional animation library just waiting for you, and a totally risk-free way to see if it works for you. The biggest barrier to great animation in your project might just be gone. So really, the only question left is, what amazing thing are you going to create next?